Apa sih? Getting down? Dad got the camera.
Hi, everybody. Dookadoo.
Hi. She wants to see behind it.
Okay.
There we go. Oh.
Joe, dude. What's back there? Nothing. Hello, Trinity. Oh, hang on. Oh, there we go. Oh, now you look scary. It's just a little tricky.
Look at your pretty paperclip necklace. Ooh.
Where's your
pretty.
necklace?
Let me see. Oh, it's beautiful. Did Daddy make that for you?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Here you go. You want to see? Put it on Duke. It's Duke. Dookadoo.
And do your vacuum. Here. Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum.
You want to vacuum Duke?
Vacuum Duke. Do it. Necklace is pretty.
Dad. You got Eskimo kisses for the camera? You want to see?
Eskimo kisses for the screen.
Oh, you zooming in.